Good afternoon, guys. This is the smart underscore traveler. My plan after traveling, you can go and refer to my channel. My channel is smart underscore traveler memos. You see the videos. Now I want to change, and today I want to do a video on, or I start the first video on the areas I think I found my students having issues, and I don't think those students are exceptional. I think this one is a common problem in mathematics, where there are some topics, we as teachers do not put ourselves in the shoes of the runners. And so the runners will just take it because you are saying it. So what I will try to do is go to the basics. Like, I want to exhaust this topic, indices. And for indices, guys, just a minute. So guys, I was saying, this topic, indices, I found that students had issues. For example, I'm one of those teachers who always, like, first of all, telling the students why they are running what they are running. So, in this series I'm starting, I will be giving the importance of the topic, all right? Importance of that topic in day-to-day life, all right? So, let's take something like indices. Indices are important in mathematics because of the following reasons. One, they are the foundation for advanced mathematics. How? Indices, or what you call exponents, are fundamental concepts in algebra. And algebra is essential for understanding polynomial expressions, exponential functions, and logarithms. So mastery of indices is crucial for progressing to more advanced topics in mathematics. Number two, it is important for you to learn indices because they help you in simplification of expressions. They provide a shorthand way to present repeated multiplication. For instance, 2 raised to 5 or to the power of 5 is more concise, and easier to work with than writing 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 5 times. So when you write 2 to the power of 5, it is easier to work with that than writing all that lengthy multiplication. Number 3, indices are important in problem solving. All right? Many mathematical problems, especially in algebra and calculus, involve manipulating expressions with indices. Knowing the laws of indices helps simplify and solve these problems efficiently. Number 4, indices are important in scientific notation. And you know, guys, nowadays, without science, we cannot be moving as far as becoming advanced in our living in this world. So, indices are used in scientific notation to express very, very large or very small numbers, making them easier to read, write, and compute with. For example, 6.022 times 10 to the power 23 represents Avogadro's number. 6.022 times 10 to the power 23 represents Avogadro's number. And if you say you write that with the zeros, 23 zeros, I think you need more than one full stop. Number 5, indices help in exponential growth and decay. So they are crucial in understanding exponential growth and decay processes, which are modeled by exponential functions. And this is an important field like biology, economics, and physics. So you find exponential growth on bacteria and the decay in biology. You find exponential growth in economics and even in physics. Hold on. Let's now come to another aspect of indices. What is the use of indices in day-to-day life of a human being? The first one, guys, is this: technology and computing. So indices are used in computing and technology to measure data sizes. All right? Like bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, and so forth, where each step is a power of 2. For example, 2 raised to 10 or 2 to the power 10 bytes equals 1 kilobyte. Number 2, Indices are used in finance and economics. Exponential functions are used to model compound interest in finance. Understanding indices in calculating future value of investments, loans, and savings, as well as understanding economic growth rates. Number 3, indices are used in science and engineering. And they are widely used in scientific equations and formulas. For example, the intensity of sound, the magnitude of the earthquakes, and the half-life of radioactive substances are all described using exponents. Number 4, indices are used in population growth. Exponential growth models, which rely on indices, are used to predict population and resource consumption, helping in planning and policy making. Number 5, indices are used in cooking and baking. Recipes often require scaling up or down. Understanding proportions and how to adjust quantities by power, doubling, tripling, is facilitated by the knowledge of indices. Number 6, health and medicine. Indices are used in pharmacology to determine drug dosages, especially when dealing with exponential growth or decay or drug concentration in bloodstream. And finally, it's very important to know that indices are used in environmental science. Environmental scientists use indices to model phenomena such as the spread of pollutants, population dynamics of species, and the decay of substances over time. All right. So, understanding, or to conclude, understanding indices is essential not only for academic success in mathematics, but also for practical applications in various fields. Mastery of this concept enables individuals to handle and interpret large and small numbers efficiently, make informed decisions in finance and economics, and understand and model natural phenomena in science and engineering. Indices, therefore, play a crucial role in both theoretical and practical aspects of daily lives. Remember all this, or all these points, I was helped to get them or to refer to the Chat GPT is what helped me to come with this. And of course, my own knowledge on indices from the secondary school to the university level. So guys, what I'll do now is I'll do a presentation of what I've said using the PowerPoint and combine it with this video. So guys, welcome to the PowerPoint. So now guys, this is my PowerPoint. Welcome to my PowerPoint now, where you can all see the lesson minus my face. So beforehand I was just talking, but now I want to show it practically. So there, the first slide is on the importance of indices in mathematics and their use in day-to-day life. And we start with the importance, so I divided that one into two. I have the importance of indices in mathematics, all right? Then after that, I will have the use of indices in day-to-day life. So, welcome guys. So, let's start with the importance of indices in mathematics. So, number one there you can see is Foundation for Advanced Mathematics. And very clearly there, you can see what I said in that one point. The first importance. All right? Do I need to read for you? Guys, you can read for yourself. I give you 1 minute to write that down. Next, number two, importance of indices in mathematics is that simplification of expressions. And guys, I talked about it. So it's your time to put down the points. Number three, problem solving. And I talked about it also. So you jot down. Number four, scientific notation. We are on the purpose of indices in mathematics. And there are very many numbers which are very range, like even the weight of an atom. Okay. You can look that one, or we can give that one later during our exercises. Number five, exponential growth and decay. Putting down what we discussed, or the lecture I gave. It's now your time to put those things down So in these lectures, I think this is what I will be doing. All right. I first of all give a talk. I then give a slide where now the ones who are interested can take the points down. But if you have a photographic memory, then better. You don't need to write. Number 6, use of indices in day-to-day life. Sorry, I even made a mistake. Let me go back a bit. So, slide number 5 adds why we have to run indices in mathematics. Slide number 6 starts on how we use indices in our day-to-day life. Sorry guys to take you back. So let's see how we can use indices in day-to-day life. There we go. Number 1 is technology and computing, and we discussed that in full. Like the computers, without this cannot be there. And you know how far computers have taken us as far as our well-being as humans is concerned. All right, I think there's guys, something terrible happened there. The computer, I don't know, the camera just went off. So use of indices in day-to-day life, technology and computing. Please take your time. So the first one is technology and computing. Next, finance and economics. Indices are very important when we come to finance and economics. That one I also discussed in details, guys. Sorry for the interruption there ahead because something went wrong with the camera. All right. So finance and economics is our number 2 use of indices in day-to-day life. Number 3, science and engineering. In our day-to-day life, we have to use indices. And there, in the lecture, I expounded. Number 4, population growth. All right, population growth. We cannot predict population growth if indices are absent in our predictions. Number 5, cooking and baking. You know, cooking, eating is very important. All right, and baking. So those serious restaurants, 5-star hotels, and whatever places where you eat, when cooking and baking, you require indices. Then, let's go back. Health and medicine. All right, without indices, pharmacology or use of drugs cannot be able to be complete without the input of indices. So the pharmacologists have to know this. Environmental science, very important nowadays because of the garbage, air pollution, water pollution, and so forth, land pollution. All these indices play a very big part to solve what can be solved. And in conclusion, guys, I think this slide is a bit out. So what I'll do is I'll try to reduce the font so that we can summarize well. We take it to 32? No, we take it to 28. 28 there, I don't know. Oh, 28 is a bit poor. So, okay, we are concluding, guys, so don't worry. So, in conclusion, understanding indices is essential not only for academic success in mathematics, but also for practical applications in various fields. Although I had also said this in the lecture, mastery of this concept enables individuals to handle and interpret large and small numbers efficiently, make informed decisions in finance and economics, and understand and model natural phenomena in science and engineering. Indices, therefore, play a crucial role in both theoretical and practical aspects of our daily life, guys. So, guys, that has been a good lecture. I will try my best, guys, in these lectures for them to be as useful as they can be to assist those who will be interested in these lectures. But remember that these lectures have been researched with the assistance of the chat GPT, and then the reference books, the Wikipedia, the textbooks in secondary school I used. Guys, you are in for a great series of lectures in mathematics. Remember, I taught mathematics for 35 years. I also did mathematics in both college and the University of Nairobi, guys. See you for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and give me good ideas so that I improve these lectures. Bye, and see you in my next series, guys.